Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Highlights template and explore its contents. To install Highlights, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage and contents. Using this template, you can start to share important news with your employees. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home and check out the Highlights model. This has been pre-configured to store data for title, subtitle, image, body and more. Now head to the Workflows tab. This model contains two workflows. One to automatically retire expired content, and the other to send a notification to the content owner to refresh the content prior to the expiration date. In the Pages section, check out the Highlights page, where you can view a list of your highlights. To read more about highlights, select About. This opens the About Highlights page in a modal window. Select Write New to use this page to write new highlights for your employees. This will open the highlight page in a modal window. In this example, we have created a highlight for 4th of July celebrations restricted to employees of the US, a promotion announcement, and a conference notification restricted to United Kingdom employees. You can edit highlights by selecting them from this page. When you're happy with your entries, head to Search from Admin Home. Here you will see that the template has added a search object. Select the object to view the configuration. These settings control how your items are displayed on the search results page. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.